Welcome to the Compressor Masterclass, a complete guide. This comprehensive course is sponsored by Ministry of Heavy Industries and has been developed by ModeliCon InfoTech, with the support of and in collaboration with the Foundation for Science Innovation and Development, the Center for Continuing Education, and the Faculty of Indian Institute of Science. Head over to our training hub at skilling.modelicon.in to begin your journey. Simply sign up, verify your email, and you're set to sign in and unlock the full potential of our Compressor Masterclass. Start learning at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. After signing in, navigate to the Compressors Masterclass, a complete guide bundle. This package features a preliminary prerequisite course to set the foundation, followed by the main module, the Compressor Masterclass itself. The prerequisite course lays out the essential compressor concepts, enriched with summary videos from ModeliCon InfoTech and supplemented with curated video and web links for in-depth chapter exploration. Now let's play the video to see these concepts in action. Prerequisites for compressors. Chapter 3, Compressor Performance Parameters. We will be discussing the following sections in this chapter. Section 1, Introduction. Compressor performance is influenced by a variety of factors, including fluid properties, inlet conditions, compressor design, and operating conditions. Beyond the introductory videos, we encourage participants to delve into the reference materials and videos linked at the end of each chapter. These resources serve as an essential preliminary refresher course for the masterclass. The masterclass itself delves into advanced topics such as compressor maps, control, and operation. Engaging with these prerequisite materials is important for fully understanding the advanced sessions in the main course. The Compressor Masterclass has 4 components. Interactive Visualization Platform. Theory, Hands-on ModeliCon Tutorial and Virtual Reality Platform. Kickstart your learning with our comprehensive compressor terminology glossary, a handy reference for understanding key terms. The Interactive Visualization Platform delivers an introductory video on the usage of the 3D Viewer platform and its toolbar options. The 3D Viewer platform can be used by the users to visualize the compressor models and its components or parts on their own perspective. The theory component is delivered through engaging videos by ModeliCon InfoTech, ensuring a strong understanding. Now let's play the video to see these concepts in action. Compressor Masterclass. Chapter 2, Compressor Selection, Sizing and Layout. We will be discussing the following sections in this chapter. Section 1, Compressor Selection Methodology. In the world of industrial applications, selecting the right compressor is crucial for efficiency, reliability, and cost effectiveness. Today, we'll explore how to choose the best compressor for your specific needs. Centrifugal compressors are often the go-to choice in natural gas transmission. Why? Because they offer remarkable flexibility, lower capital costs, and reduced maintenance expenses. For high-pressure applications, reciprocating compressors are the champions. They excel in versatility, handling a wide range of pressures and capacities. And when you need a centrifugal compressor for high-pressure tasks, the barrel high-pressure model is your best bet. In the hands-on ModeliCon component, you'll tackle thermodynamic calculations and compressor map analyses through interactive tutorials. A tutorial aims to share knowledge through case studies and examples as well as the knowledge needed to evaluate or complete a certain activity. It is more comprehensive and participatory than a book or lecture. The goal of these tutorials is to provide the hands-on training and experience needed to improve one's proficiency in this field. To access the scenarios, the tutorial's landing page requires the username. After choosing the appropriate module, currently, the compressor module, the list of example problems will be outlined. Every example embodies the goal and outcome for that specific tutorial. This is followed by the problem description and the real-time scenario. Maps have been provided as needed. Based on the scenario that is provided, the students may choose the operating points from the map and enter the parameters in the corresponding input parameter fields. Additionally, the units can be chosen according to the unit system being used. The output parameters column will provide the results once you press the simulate button. Additionally, students can alter the values of the input parameters and create comparison maps by choosing the X-axis from a drop-down menu. With only one click of the Clear Comparison button, all of the output parameters data can be removed. The present example aids in the student's comprehension of the compressor map and aids in their selection of the proper operating locations. Example 2 is an extension of example 1. The sensitivity of compressor performance to inlet condition is considered here. More specifically, the effect of ambient conditions, including moisture content, is addressed. The extended version of the same compressor is shown in example 3. The performance of the compressor for various gas media is considered here. Having completed the tutorial exercises built on earlier theory lectures, we now move to the immersive experience of the virtual reality component. The virtual reality platform offers two distinct examples tailored for both mobile and PC users. Please choose the relevant link below to download the .apk or .x file. Once the PC user file is downloaded, unzip the file and double-click or run the .x file to start the Compressor Basics virtual reality. Let's begin by guiding you through the use of the VR controller. You'll learn how to navigate and interact within the virtual environment, with clear demonstrations on triggering each action using the controller. After completing the demo, we proceed to the module-specific VR scenes. There are 3 VR scenes available: walkthrough, disassembly or assembly, and assessment. For the Compressor Masterclass, 2 key compressor types are showcased, namely reciprocating compressor and centrifugal compressor. Let us go through the walkthrough of a reciprocating compressor. Reciprocating compressors work by using a piston or diaphragm to move back and forth in a cylinder, creating low pressure to let gas in and compressing it to increase pressure. There are 2 types: single-acting compressors with one-sided compression and double-acting compressors with compression on both sides for higher efficiency. The next button option is provided to skip the audio information on the corresponding component. In the walkthrough scene, components of the compressor with their corresponding description are displayed through the audiovisual cues. Individual component is highlighted upon click and the description is explained through the audio.
Cylinder. The cylinder is a pressure vessel that holds the gas during the compression cycle. Larger, low-pressure cylinders are cast iron, whereas small frame or crankcase. The reciprocating compressor frame, also known as the crankcase, serves as the robust and essential structural foundation.
A teardown button allows the participants to visualize the internal components of the compressor. A pop-out button allows the participants to explore certain internal components for a better up-close view. Similarly, we can experience a walkthrough using a centrifugal compressor. Next, we will proceed with the disassembly or assembly of a reciprocating compressor. In the disassembly or assembly scene, compressor components are made available to be removed from the equipment and placed on a table. This enables an extended visualization of components and aids in understanding the relative position of each component. A similar process can be visualized for the disassembly or assembly of a centrifugal compressor. During the assessment, questions will be displayed within the scene. Participants are required to read these questions and respond by selecting and positioning the relevant component in the correct place. Following the same process used to download the first VR scene of Compressor Basics Virtual Reality, we will now download the second VR scene titled Reciprocating Compressor Startup and Basic Operation Virtual Reality, and then proceed. In this VR scene, the participant is taken through the steps involved in the pre-start inspection and then starting operation for an industrial reciprocating compressor system. Firstly, the individual key components of the compressor are highlighted with their corresponding name. to get the participant familiar with the compressor. Next, the participant is made to go through the pre-start checklist line by line and correspondingly ticked. After completing the pre-start checklist, the compressor is operated using the control panel interface, and individual parameters of the compressor are visualized. Thank you for watching the trailer for our Compressor Masterclass course.